When it hurts, when life feels like it's crushing you, don't you dare give up. This is your moment. This is your fight. And by the end of this video, you'll find the strength to keep going. Stay with me. Let's be real. Life hurts. It hurts when you lose someone you love. It hurts when you fail after giving it your all. It hurts when you feel like no one understands you. But here's the truth. Pain is not your enemy. Pain is your teacher. It's showing you that you're alive, that you're fighting, and that you're growing. Every single person you admire, every hero, every champion, they felt pain, but they didn't let it define them. They used it as fuel, and that's exactly what you're going to do. When you're down, it's easy to feel alone. But here's the secret. The fastest way to heal yourself is to help someone else. Lift someone up when they're down. Be their strength when they're weak, because we all struggle. And when you help someone, you remind yourself of your own power. Imagine this. Someone out there is waiting for you. Your words, your actions, your courage could save their life. So don't just fight for yourself. Fight for them too. Life is a battle, and every day you have a choice, to retreat or to advance. But let me tell you something, every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Every time you get back up, you're proving to yourself that you're unstoppable. You were born to make a mark in this world. Someone didn't make it today, but you did. That's not a coincidence, that's a calling. So keep fighting, keep moving forward. Your story isn't over yet. Legacy isn't about being perfect. It's about being persistent. It's about showing up, even when it hurts. It's about leaving this world better than you found it. So what's your mark? What's the impact you want to make? Maybe it's raising your kids to be kind. Maybe it's building a business that changes lives. Maybe it's simply being the person who never gives up. Whatever it is, start today, because the world needs you. Resilience is not something you're born with. It's something you build. Every time you face a challenge and keep going, you're building your resilience. And the more resilient you become, the stronger you'll be for the next battle. Remember, the strongest trees grow in the strongest winds. The more you're tested, the stronger you'll become. So embrace the challenges. They're shaping you into the person you're meant to be. No one succeeds alone. We all need support. We all need someone to lean on. And sometimes we need to be that person for someone else. Community is everything. It's what keeps us going when we feel like giving up. So build your tribe. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, who believe in you, who push you to be your best, and be that person for others. Together we can achieve anything. Gratitude is a game changer. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you shift your perspective. You realize that even in the darkest times, there's always something to be thankful for. Start a gratitude practice. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as a warm meal or a kind word. Over time, you'll find that gratitude transforms your life. Life is a journey of self-discovery. Every challenge, every victory, every moment of pain or joy, it's all part of your story. And the more you understand yourself, the more you can align your actions with your purpose. Take time to reflect. Ask yourself, who am I? What do I want? What's my purpose? The answers will guide you on your path to greatness. Dreams are powerful, but they're nothing without action. You can't just wish for a better life, you have to work for it. Every small step you take brings you closer to your goals. So what's one thing you can do today to move forward? Write it down, do it, and then do it again tomorrow. Action is the bridge between dreams and reality. By now, you know this isn't just a video, it's a movement. It's a reminder that you're stronger than you think, braver than you feel, and more capable than you realize. But knowledge without action is wasted. So here's what I want you to do. Help someone today. Reach out to someone who's struggling. A kind word, a helping hand, it could change their life. Set one goal. What's one thing you can do today to move forward? Write it down. Do it. Share this video. Someone out there needs to hear this message. Be the reason they find hope. When it hurts, don't you give up. Keep fighting, keep lifting others. And remember, your pain is not the end of your story. It's the beginning of your greatness. Now go out there and make your mark.